Starboard bow. Is it possible to get a reliable e-bike for under $500? Well, today I'm looking at the Varun M24-1 Adult Electric Bike. It's compact, lightweight, and packs a surprising punch. Was it the right daily driver for you, or just another budget compromise? So let's go ahead and dive in. Throw on the stem, make sure that's nice and seat, and then we'll move on. Here we go. There's a box right there. We got a seat, we got a phone holder, we got a rear light reflector and light because there is no tail light. Got a little cover for the stem, a little reflector, got a nice little bell. Oh, I like these bells better than the ant. This goes cover for your on top of the stem when you're done tightening it up. Lefty tighty, righty tighty, toolkit, seat post, couple of tie wraps, and a lock, and a pump, and a user's guide. Come on, guys. Phone holder, lock, pump. You got to love it. That's what came in the box. All right, you got the seat post, you got the seat. Put that in there. Tighten that up. Tighten up these screws right here. Let's go ahead and throw on the seat. It's always easier to put on the front tire with the bike on its back. So let's get rid of it. Your self-adjusting lock washer with the little hook on the end of it. Make sure that rotor is in between the brake pads, guys, all the time. Rotor's in there between the brake pads. That thing's just spinning by itself. No problem, no interference with the pads. You got your adjusting axle right here. All right, let's put on some pedals to the metals. Lefty tighty, righty tighty. There's your left one. There's your right one. Make sure the chain's on. Let's go ahead and turn this bike over and get rid of this garbage and clean everything up. Boom. There you go. Got the seat on. Got the handlebars on. Got the pedals on. Front wheel. Just put on the light and the fenders and we're good to go. Right, there's your light and there's your front fender. Let's put on the back fender. Back fender. I gotta move this out. Just throw that on like that. Put this like this. Get it in between the post and the thing there, just like you did there. All right, put this all the way down. Okay, that's nice and tight. All right, let's get the battery out. Put it in there, counterclockwise. Slide that baby up. Here's your information if you want to go ahead and pause that. Hopefully you're seeing that. There's some more information right there. All right, Varun claims you get about 35 to 45 miles in assist mode, and we're going to be checking that out. Guarantee. So charging on this battery takes about 4 to 6 hours. One big plus is the battery is lockable and easy to pop out for charging at your desk or inside the house. There you go. So the rear light, since that doesn't have a rear brake light, This is a chargeable brake light. And all you do is press this button right here. Light, you got 3 different settings. 1, 2, 3, 4 off. Put a little flasher on this so you can see a little better. There we go. We'll see how that goes. That's your light, rear light. Then if it's ever not working, you can charge it with this mini C. Sorry. You can see that. There you go. That's your charger. Put your phone in there. Locks it up. Once you press it, locks it up, and then close it up. Locks it up. There you go. Well, let's get going. I put the tire, I put it at 38 PSI. It says 60 max, 60 max, 40 minimum, but I got it at around 35. It could probably use a couple more PSI maybe, but I'll check it out as I'm going along here. And it picks up pretty good for 19 miles an hour. Like I said, no odometer, so you don't know it, but this thing cruises pretty good. And even though it doesn't have any, you can't tell like the trip, the power, all that good stuff. You can tell the power. These little red lights, easy to see. It says I got 3 bars. I'm at high speed. Just cruising along here. Right, you know what's under this hood. 500 watt peak brushless motor, 40 nanometers of torque, and paired with this 36 volt 7.8 amp hour removable battery, top speeds around 20 miles an hour, which feels plenty fast for a bike this size. We got 3 modes. You got pure electric, pedal assist, and good old-fashioned manual pedaling. Now the rides, 24-inch wheels makes the bike feel super nimble compared to 26-inch models. It weighs about 50 pounds, so it's easy to toss into your van, carry upstairs. The front suspensions, as you can see on this fork here, does a solid job of soaking up the bumps. But heads up, it's not lockable. The dual mechanical disc brakes provide snappy stopping power even in the rain, even though I'm a hydraulic fan. You know, what can I say? Okay, but the range, the battery, Varun claims the range on this thing is 35 to 45 miles. In assist mode, that means your pedal charging takes about 4 to 6 hours. One big plus though, the battery is lockable and easy to pop out for charging at your desk or just bring it inside to the house. All right, guys, how about the pros? It's incredibly affordable, often found around 268 to 330. I'm not misspeaking here, guys. It comes with a phone holder. It's got this little power supply right here on the left. Doesn't let you know about guys, I'm going right up this hill.
What can you do?
It says in the manual that this isn't a very big hill climber, but this is one of the largest hills that I cruise around in, and so this is perfect. Look at, I'm barely pedaling. I should be breathing like crazy right now if I was riding my regular bike. And this thing is just bringing me right up the bar. I mean, right up the hill. And I'm in pedal assist 1. Well, 1 level, I should say. So I don't know how the camera's acting, but hopefully it's catching this when you got 5 bars. But look at it move right now. It's just cruising right along. I'm loving this Varun. And it's a commuter, guys. It's not an off-road bike. Don't be hitting jumps and jumping up in the air and doing all that good stuff, because this is not what this bike is. This is a commuter. It's a cruiser. If you got to go do some off-roading and stuff like that, you want to get a different type of bike. This one's got the 24-inch tires. Very nice. Tires are pretty good, actually. Has that front shock. That's cool. You get around these city streets, no problem whatsoever. I'm just zooming around. Loving the way this thing's handling too. I love the way I was able to bring that handlebar up here. That's cool. That is really cool. Got to know what streets to take so you don't get any major hills. But oh, I'm just cruising along. Alright, starboard bow, that's going to be the end of the video. The Varun M24-1. I covered pretty much every aspect and specification for this e-bike. Now, your job is to comment and let me know what you think about this bike. The affordability, all the features, all the accessories this thing comes with. A pump, a lock, phone holder, everything. Rear brake flashers, all that good stuff. Varun, thanks for sending me the product. I appreciate it. Hope we did a good enough job for you guys. All you subscribers out there, please continue subscribing, liking, hitting that bell so next time a new video comes out, you will be notified about what is happening here in Starboard Bow. Again, thanks guys. I appreciate watching. Please let me know what you think. Love doing these videos, especially on beautiful days like today. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and we'll get back with you on the next video. Have a great day. Bam.